Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making some milk chocolate brownies. Okay, so I'm just pouring the brownie mix into the bowl. So now I'm just adding a half a cup of oil into the mix, 2 eggs, and some vanilla extract, and then some water. Now I'm just mixing everything up really well. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so now I'm just going to be putting butter inside the pan. And then I'm going to pour the mix inside and put it in the oven. Okay, so once the brownies was done, I went ahead and put some white frosting in a Ziploc bag and cut a little small hole at the bottom of it. And now I'm just drizzling the frosting on top. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.